If you're looking for a way how to change Netflix password on your TV, then I'm going to explain this. So guys, generally on your TV, you're not able to change a Netflix password. And so you don't want to even bother to look on your TV to find this option. What you want to do is to open up Netflix on your computer and sign in. Then you want to go to your account. Once you're in your account, you can find the security settings and select the option to change your password. From there, you will need to enter your current password, and if that's correct, you will now be able to enter a new password. Once you enter the new password and confirm that, you'll be able to save it, right? And so once you save it, most likely you will sign out and then you'll have to sign in to test your new password. But that's pretty much it. Just keep in mind that once you change your password in the Netflix account on your computer, you will have to sign in again once you open up your TV. So once you turn on the TV again, you will need to sign in with that new password because the Netflix account will no longer be signed in on your TV and also on other devices. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue. So just keep that in mind because the password is not synced across different devices. And that's all there is to it, guys. So if you're sharing your Netflix account with other users, you will need to provide a password as well. So that's pretty much it.